Just got out here on Lake Poygan. Didn't have enough light for the camera yet, but I just pulled up a nice eye. Probably 18, 19 inches. Big old Walter. You had the heart. Come on. There we go. Whitey. Oh, I love it when they come off. Nice eye. It's a good fish. Come back up for me now. Come on. Got him. Crappie. Nice crappie there. Got him. Whitey. You don't want to go down, apparently. Another whitey. Wow! Holy crap! I'm gonna catch this one. Probably a little walleye or a whitey. Holy crap, they are aggressive. Slackline me. It's a whitey. Nice walleye, dude. Ho 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 ho. That thing, I had one shoot up before that one, and he just clobbered it. That's a nice fish. Holy moly. Got one. Oh, white bass. That's a monster. That's a Walter. Gotcha. Yeah, I wasn't even looking at that one. He just came up and hit it. Just popped off. That's exactly what that one just did. I didn't even mark him. He just started swimming away with my bait. White trash. Dang. Another whitey. Little baby. This guy's gonna hit. Oh my lord. Coming back again. Come on. Gotcha. Hee hee hee! Come here, little guy. Humpback. Back down the hole. Little white bass.
The third one I got was
Dump these out.
17.
The third one was?
Yeah, the third one that I got.
Bucket full of walleyes. Yeah, those two are mine. That one's probably your other one, eh?
Yeah.
Well, I got three nicer ones.
I think it might be that
That
one.
probably this one right here, because he's still kicking. Good day. Limit of walleyes, couple crappies. Threw back a bunch of white bass.
Bunch more walleyes.
Bunch of smaller eyes. Good stuff, Maynard.